Here's how Apache OpenOffice and LibreOffice compare because downloading the wrong Office suite can leave you with compatibility problems later. Let's start with Apache OpenOffice. It keeps a familiar layout and handles basic documents, spreadsheets, and presentations well enough for light work. For someone opening simple files and occasional editing, it still gets the job done. The problem is development speed. Major updates arrive frequently or less frequently, and support for modern document workflows is more limited. Now let's look at LibreOffice. This is where most people end up. LibreOffice receives regular development, stronger compatibility with Microsoft formats, broader live support or file support, and more active improvement. Opening docs, Excel SX, and presentation files are generally feeling more reliable across different environments. Pricing is easy because both are free. That means the real cost becomes time. If formatting breaks down or collaboration becomes harder, free stops feeling free. Now, comparing them directly, OpenOffice wins only if your needs are basic and you strongly prefer its older style. LibreOffice wins in compatibility, active development, and long-term reliability. The verdict is not close for most people. If you create documents regularly, exchange files with other people, or want better feature support, choose LibreOffice. OpenOffice still works for simple offline use, but for most users, LibreOffice is a safer download.